See a look at the tropics again. We've got Hurricane Sally. That occurred just recently, within the last hour or so, as the winds, they've estimated up to over 85 miles per hour. As a matter of fact, let's look up to 90. I was going to say that, 90 miles per hour. Category 1 storm. As we look at it, you can see it could be a Category 2 storm with winds of 105 miles per hour. It's going to just brush right east of the delta or right near it or over it. And remember, now, it's not a point or a line that we're concerned about. We're concerned about a large area. But when you get right from the center to the east, that's going to be the worst of the storm. And you can see that looks like that's going to come right on to Mississippi and those barrier islands. So I'm worried about that with the storm surge. I'm worried about flooding rains. And we'll just have to wait and see. And the storm slowing down is not a good sign either, because it can strengthen at 7 miles per hour. And we're looking at it to be doing this all during the day Tuesday. So tomorrow at this time, the storm should be very close to the coast of Louisiana, heading toward Mississippi. By the way, it becomes non-tropical over Atlanta, so that's the last plot, Friday at 8 a.m. The moisture of it will spread a little to the east, and that's what we have to be concerned about. So as a matter of fact, as we look at things, we're concerned about how much rain are we going to get. We're not going to worry about the winds. There's not going to be any winds for us, but the rain. And there could be upwards of over 4 inches of rain in the southern viewing area. This is a 2-day total. This goes all the way to Saturday, from Thursday, Friday. Now, it's not going to rain on Saturday, but it's just picking up the map and ends late Friday night, early Saturday, because a cold front's coming through. But you can see 1/3 of an inch in Virginia. See the difference? So depending where that remnant low goes and how much moisture is still left with it, it can really affect the amount of rain we're going to get. So at this point in time, let's just plan on maybe 1 inch to 4 inches of rain. I know that's a wide range over a couple-day period. So we'll stay on top of that and see. We'll see if the Weather Service gets concerned about maybe flooding down in the sandhills and the southern coastal plain if they get that amount of rain, or if things shift north or maybe a little further south. Only time will tell, just based on those upper-level winds. All right, here's a look at what's going on. First of all, there's Hurricane Sally. This little system out here has now got only a 10% chance to develop, so we're not concerned about that. There's Hurricane Paulette over Bermuda. And there's more. You need a scorecard, folks. Tropical Depression Renee, it's going to go away. This one, Teddy's the one that could become a strong hurricane. And then just in, we got Vicky. So you got it all written down. You got Sally. You got Paulette, although they got those out of order. I'm just going west to east. Paulette, Renee, we're not worried about. Teddy and Vicky. So we've got one name left. And if that develops off the coast of Africa, that would be Wilfred, and that would be it for the list. We'd have to get into that Greek alphabet. So what about these systems? We're not concerned about that. This is absolutely a waste of a name, Vicky. I mean, it's just a waste. I mean, it's just going to become a tropical depression and be gone Friday. But we'll get another name off the list. This one, though, Teddy, could become a strong major hurricane, but what it looks like now, it'll stay, fortunately, east of Bermuda and be a sea storm. And then this storm is finally pulling away from Bermuda. It'll be interesting to see the reports when they come in, because they got a direct hit almost of this storm, and it was a Category 2 storm as it strengthens maybe to a 3 and a 2, but it stays out over ocean and then kind of goes away on Saturday. All right, you write it all down? You got your scorecard? All right, now let's talk about here today. We're in the lower 80s now. You see some clouds out there, but we've got 70s already along the Virginia border and almost upper 80s in parts south of the triangle. A cold front is just draped right over central North Carolina. As a matter of fact, if I do it right, well, I can't. This does not belong there. This goes up here. I don't know, I got that little quick wrist flick. But basically, the front is about here, and it's going to continue to push to the south. There it is, drawn more professionally as we go through the afternoon hours. There's 3 o'clock, could pop up a couple showers with clouds, maybe a shower, thunder shower at 6 o'clock. Then that all gets suppressed to the south. And then we're sitting with mostly clear skies tonight. Sunshine tomorrow, and then we'll cloud it up as we head toward Wednesday, but keep it relatively dry. And then here comes that low, and just depending on the path of it, how much rain we're going to get. It looks like the heaviest rain is going to be over Georgia and South Carolina, but once again, we'll watch for 1 to 4 inches of rain Thursday and Friday. So high temperatures today, upper 80s to maybe even near 90 near Rayford, just updated that. 85 in Sanford, 86 Goldsboro, 88 Clinton, but only 80 in Roanoke Rapids. And we're going to see about 80. You've already seen the high along the Virginia border. You've dropped into the 70s, mid 80s in the triangle. So a chance of a shower, thunder shower this afternoon, 84, clearing tonight. Beautiful weather. That would almost be my picture. Okay, that's going to be my pick for the work week, 78 degrees. comfortable, temperature on Wednesday, but more clouds. My knee of the week is Thursday and Friday because that's when we're going to get those showers, mid-70s. But when the cold front comes through, I put it up there. You got your attention? 69 and 55. It's going to feel like fall, and you're going to say, what a great fall weekend it is. And I'm going to say, not so fast. It's still officially summer till Tuesday, but it's still going to be a nice streak. Except for those 2 days, that is a darn good-looking 10-day forecast.